Hello friends, let's discuss why City of God failed to create any magic on the Oscar platform, whereas Parasite went on to win several Oscars. City of God, story about slum gang war in the ghettos of Rio de Janeiro. Lil Zay is the boss who is trying to control the gangs in the City of God, the drug mafia, the arsoning and everything related to crime in the area. He wants control of the gang that is run by Carrot as well. The saga is a riveting work of murder, mystery, crime, power and insanity. The film starts with the scene where a hen is being chased. Lil Zay and his gang of rants chase this hen and reach to a place where they are face to face with Rocket, who is a photographer. Now the initial scene itself where Lil Zay and his gang members are preparing for a feast and where slaying of the hen is depicted for several seconds. The scene shows sharpening of a cleaver and it is shown when the credits are being displayed. The scene itself is a masterpiece scene wherein this rubbing of cleaver denotes several things. It can be as to what we are about to watch is nothing but a gore film, a common story, a realistic story, though full of crime. In the beginning only, the scene could be defined as a boring scene as well by some, though that's not the case, as the background music is extremely interesting. There are several such scenes in the film. Another scene wherein Lil Zay shoots Rocket's elder brother. This was done by Lil Zay when he was still a kid, and it was done in such an ease that it's an applaudable work. If we talk about the sets of the film, they are perfect as per the story. The new City of God of 1960s, when it is still a new establishment, electric poles being installed, settler moving in, no proper roads, trucks of cylinder being looted. Here cinematography is superb. The lighting as well is a masterwork. For me, this movie is a 4.5 out of 5. Let's talk about Parasite, wherein father Ki Tak, mother Chung Suk, daughter Ki Jung and son Ki Woo live in a basement in a ghetto. Ki Woo poses as a university student to take job of a tutor in a wealthy Park family. Ki Jung poses as an art therapist. Ki Tak becomes family chauffeur. Chung Suk takes over as housekeeper. All these four celebrate when the Park family is out for a vacation. The Park family returns suddenly and these four who were celebrating in their home on their wine and food hide themselves somehow. And then there is the party scene where there is bloodbath. They are rich and famous and these four servants try to kill the Park family. This film as well has master scenes talking about the family of Kai Tak, their home, a living space, open defecation on step with no door. The filthiness has a beauty. Each scene of treachery has a unique beauty attached to it. Whether Ki Woo posing as a university student, Ki Jung posing as an art therapist, and how they implant their mother as a housekeeper after removing the previous maid. She was allergic, so they went to extreme to heighten her allergy, after which Chung Suk becomes Park family's housekeeper. While doing so, they were immensely inhuman. They thought about their family upliftment and never thought about whom they were removing. And the end with the background music. Now this film garnered several Oscars including Best Picture, though City of God none. Why so? Why such an indifference to such a masterpiece? If I compare Parasite with City of God, I will any day choose City of God. Why? Because this movie is comparatively more realistic in comparison to Parasite. Parasite was only and only awarded to win over Donald Trump, as the elite Hollywood wanted to show they are the manipulators. There is literally nothing special about Parasite. For me, it is a movie with a rating of 3 out of 5. To show that America and Hollywood is multi-ethnic, Parasite won big awards. Whereas City of God suffered maybe because of Hollywood's racism and it took them 20 years to come out of it. Though not a worthy movie got awarded, it is again a botched up decision. Hollywood's insolence led to the bereftness of such an acclaimed film with Oscars. To me, City of God is bigger than Oscars. Even Cannes showed apathy to such a masterpiece. In terms of direction, editing, acting and cinematography, it is one of the best. Oscars in future should think 10 times of recreating a fiasco of 2004. In fact, for me, Parasite winning several Oscars is as well a fiasco. The other deserving movies should have won. What do you think about it? What do you think about this analysis? What do you think? Is City of God the best film or Parasite is a wonderful film? Compare it. Please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time.